Hey guys, Brian here. Today I want to go ahead and show you how to clean a toilet like a pro here. We've got the Clorox wipes and we've got the Clorox spray, more like a Clorox bathroom spray. So first we're going to want to go ahead and just clean off the top here and just wipe all sides, looking for any dust, grime, stuff like that. And then I just clean the top of the toilet with the Clorox wipe and the back as well. This is kind of where it actually gets the dirtiest, in these little crevices back here. And you might need more than one Clorox wipe for sure to do this. Go ahead and clean the edges. You can also spray the toilet with a disinfectant wipe, let it sit for 5 minutes, and go from there. Right here I'm cleaning the top of the toilet off, and then underneath I'm going to go ahead and clean, and on those little stops there at the top you'll kind of get some buildup as well. And we're cleaning the top of the inside of the toilet. And okay, now we're going to go ahead with the wipe again, and we're going to clean this top portion here of the seat, or underneath the seat here. And we're just going to wipe that off. And again, you can spray with the disinfectant. We're going to clean this bottom portion as well. This kind of gets forgotten sometimes, and you want to go ahead and clean along the caulk area here and around the tile area. And you're also going to want to clean under the toilet seat here. This can get pretty dirty, and a lot of times people forget about that. And what we have here, this is the toilet brush here. It's like a Clorox little disc here, and you take the little handle, pop it on in, and it's got some cleaners inside the disc. So we're going to use that here. First, I'm just attacking this little water line here. Sometimes bacteria and deposits will build up on that area. So I kind of start there. Once I've got that clean, I'll go ahead and scrub off anything on the brush. If you've got a line there that's not coming off with scrubbing, you can actually use a pumice stone softly to get that off. And you want to go ahead and get the top here. This is where the little water jets are, and a lot of times black gunk and stuff will kind of build up here. And you've got to go around the whole circle here and clean that off. And earlier I went ahead and kind of went down into the hole there and cleaned that out as well. And this portion here is the most forgotten area here, is around the actual hinges. So I've got some Clorox on the paper towel here, and you're going to want to go into the crevices. If you're doing a toilet deep clean here, you got guests coming over, something like that, and just wipe here, and you can see it kind of coming off. It's not a ton, but it's coming off here. So, and also the little the actual hinge itself you can spray with Clorox. And we're going to take a cotton swab as well with the Clorox on it and get into all these crevices here. We're kind of just cleaning out anything we can't reach with a paper towel or by hand. And ideally, looking back, it may be a good idea to wear some gloves. You may be a little more adventurous doing this, but hey. So right now we're cleaning out the little screw holes here. And as you can see, it's definitely taken some gunk out of there. And we're using the Clorox on the Q-tip, and just, yeah, look at that. Yeah, so we're just kind of cleaning up there. I hope this video brought value, and it helped with some cleaning of the toilet that you may not think about. Thanks so much, guys.